In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy Xpath in Chrome quickly and correctly using the built-in developer tools. This is really useful if you're working with web scraping, automation, testing, or just trying to target a specific element on a web page more accurately. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and go to the web page where you want to copy the Xpath from. Find the element you want to inspect. It could be a button, image, link, text, form field, or anything else on the page. Once you've found the element, right-click directly on it and choose Inspect. When you click Inspect, Chrome will open the DevTools panel. This is where you can view the code behind the web page and locate the exact element you clicked on. By default, Chrome usually opens the Elements tab, and if it doesn't, just click on the Elements tab manually at the top of DevTools. Now you'll see the HTML structure of the page. Chrome will highlight the element you selected in the code, usually with a blue highlight. That highlighted line is the one you want to work with because it represents the exact HTML element on the page. Next, right-click on that highlighted HTML line in the Elements panel. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, move your mouse over Copy and then click Copy Xpath. Chrome will now copy the Xpath for that element straight to your clipboard. You can paste it into your code, automation tool, or testing script wherever you need it. If you're using this for Selenium or another web automation workflow, this Xpath can help you locate the element much faster. Just keep in mind that some Xpaths are more stable than others, so always test it before relying on it in a project. And that's it. You've now copied an Xpath in Chrome in just a few clicks. It's a small trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to identify elements on a web page. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.